guys, my name is Uche, and today we'll be talking about 5 ways to up your Instagram story game. Are you ready? Because I am. Now let's roll the intro. Haha. If you were a superhero, who will you be? I'll be Harley Quinn, I like her hammer. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. And my name is Uche, like I said before, and yeah, I made an intro video. Swipe like this and you see what the channel is going to be about and all the goodness I'm going to be sending your way. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about the 5 ways you can boost your Instagram story game and get all those guys asking you, how did you do it? Yeah, so number 1, animated backgrounds. So all you have to do is open your Instagram and either take a random picture or use one of your most recent pictures and go to your GIF or GIF or GIF, I don't know, anyone. Then search for diamond. Yeah, and you see this, select this diamond, then you expand it. You drag and you expand it until it's like this, then you save it as a video. Then you save it as a video and you go back and you open the video and you click on the drawing tool. Use the first drawing tool and you select the black color. You press and hold the screen. When you press and hold the screen, then you use your eraser tool and draw whatever you want. You can write new posts. Yeah, you guys like my handwriting here. So cute. Sorry, undo. Yeah, new posts. Number 2, font. So have you ever wanted to use different fonts and you're tired of the basic fonts on Instagram? That's the classic, the modern, the neon and typewriter fonts. Are you tired of them and you just really want to use new fonts for your Instagram thing? So all you can do is you have to download the new keyboard, and that keyboard can be found on your App Store and also on your Play Store if you're using an Android phone. The keyboard is called fonts. So yeah, I'm using an iPhone, so it's on my App Store, and all I just need to do is go to fonts. Just type fonts is the first thing. Just type fonts and it should be the first app you see. I've already downloaded it, so when I open it, it just tells me to add to my existing font. When you add it, then you can now use it. Click on your text tool and press and hold that word or this sign here. Press and hold it and you'll see font right there, and you can select any font you want to use. So right now, this is my favorite font, serif font, and all I just need to write is poolside. And voila, the font is right there. So I don't need to be restricted to only what Instagram gives me. I can now just change my font. So if you don't know about this, you can now start trying it out. All you just have to do is take a random picture or use an existing picture and click on the text tool. And when you click on the text tool, press and hold that word button and it will bring out, that's after you've downloaded the Gboard, and you see Gboard right there, and there you go, voila. Then you can search for anything. You can see different gifs that are on Google. So all you just need to do is, for this is a poll, so you can maybe search for poll more relatable, and you see this and they're usually enabled. So what you can do is add this right here, and yeah, see how cool that stood there. And you can add more gifs, anyone, to this image to make it look cool. No, thank you. So all you just need to do is search for relatable stuff that fits your picture or fits your this, and it will work. Voila. Yeah, so number 4 is layout. All you just have to do is when you open your story, you swipe to your left and you see it right there. So there are different templates to do this. There's quite a lot, but this is my most preferred one. And the cool thing is that you can take different pictures, take like this, and yeah, and you can post all of them and they all work on your Instagram. Very good. Or you can take an existing picture right from your Instagram this thing, and you can use them to select different, and you can use them to put in different spaces in the layouts. So just that's it, that's there, and this here, and they all fit. And yeah, you can also add this cool feature where you do this. Let me show you. Just add dotted lines. You can add dotted lines to make it look more stylized. Show you that. Change back to the YouTube. So you can add dotted lines to make it look more stylized, and put the dotted lines right on that line, so it almost looks like they are demarcating. So it almost looks like they are demarcating the layouts. Right there. Don't they look cool? Yeah, that's it. That's number 4, layouts. And number 5, multicolored background. So if you've always wanted to use different colors to space out the like the story, or to like demarcate it in like maybe white and black, or red and white, all you can do is click on dots and leave 5 to 6 spaces. Click on dots, then click on the highlighting tool and drag it out. Then also click on the dots and click 5 to 6 spaces. Click on the dot again, then use the highlighting tool and click another color. Click done, and you enlarge it until it fills your screen, and voila, you've gotten your 2 different colors. And you can also turn them, and you can turn them in a different way to get a different feel. You can use more than 4 colors. You just have to, but you have to be careful not select the colors you clicked before. So let's use red, and done, and increase this, and yeah, so there you go. So you can save this and also use it later, and maybe add a picture from your gallery and copy the picture, and it will pop up on your page. You can also make this transparent as well. So select the picture you want to use and click on a dot, and like leave 5 to 6 spaces, then click another dot, then highlight it, but click it twice. Then you see this background, then click any color you want and enlarge it. There you go. Then you can also do this for different with different colors. All you just have to do is enlarge it, and there you go. You have different colors. You can save and use it for what you want. I'm going to drop a bonus feature, and that is Instagram's new Boomerang feature. When you take a boomerang, you just click on the boomerang icon and you can adjust your boomerang to whatever desired duration you want, or you can also change it to slow-mo, you can change it to echo, or you can change it to duo. My preferred one right now is slow-mo because it looks quite unique and cool. So I've used a couple of this for my Instagram stories, and just right here I'll show you. And so yeah, so that's basically what you can use to up your Instagram story game, and get people talking and get people asking you, oh, how did you do that, how do you do that, and will in turn increase your Instagram story views. Yeah, and be sure to like this video, as it will help me share the video and make a lot of more people watch it and be enlightened on ways to boost their Instagram story game. So, and if you are confused about any of the features, you can also leave them in comment section. I help you go through it as well. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends. My name is Uche, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello, my name is Uche and welcome to my YouTube channel. Jesus. Jesus. I hate mosquitoes. We'll record another time.